We've been
tunnel tracking,
and bike cards.
Yeah, bike cards.
Today our children are back in the whenua planting, also engaging with trapping. But for us it's about identity and our children knowing who they are, where they belong, where they come from. And there's no better way to learn that than having your feet in the whenua.
Yeah, you have to put peanut butter inside there, and we took tracking tunnel. You have to put this blue sweet stuff.
True manaakitanga is living it. It's all community driven as well. We believe that the land that we have, the whenua, and our kids being in it is the best and most successful tool to be able to provide our children with the skills that they need for the future. You get a really good balance between the kids physically learning in the environment
with heaps of planting and heaps of learning how to track animals down too.
And then bringing that back into the classroom so the learning is connected. The attendance has improved drastically and our kids just want to come to school because it's hands-on, it's engaging, it's fun.
And we took it out and we saw two of them were stoats and
There's a track.
There's a mice.
if I see a stoat, I'm going to try to kick it.
It's about the entire community and about trying to achieve outcomes as one people, one community, one whānau. And that's just our approach to practically everything that we're doing at Mangakino School.
I'm a good kid.